Hey fam, welcome back. In this episode of Cruise Port Explorers, I'm taking you on a solo adventure through Hollywood, Florida, just a short ride from Port Everglades. We'll explore a one-of-a-kind market, tasty food spots, and the city's unique art wall. All perfect for your next pre or post cruise day. Get ready to be inspired. We're ready to head out and see what the area has to offer. So come on, y'all, let's go. All right, so I have my first ride of today. I'm going to go to the Yellow and Green Farmers Market. It is not that far away. It's about a 3-mile drive. So I am ready to get out and explore. I'm a little nervous. So that's what I'll be doing. So I will see you guys in a bit. I called a lift. All right, so I made it here. Had a nice Uber driver, quiet and quick. I'm at the Yellow Green Farmers Market on Sheridan in Hollywood, Florida. So let's check it. So this is the entrance. It's really cool so far. I like it. And I can already tell y'all, I'm gonna be in trouble because everything smells so good out here. There's a lot of food vendors out here and everything smells so good so far. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up trying some different things. They even got $2 draft there, so interested to see how this is gonna play out.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.
Now I know Royal Caribbean made a lot of money off those jerseys because I was there to see it myself firsthand on Icon.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by fault and without any doubt. I'm on me, happy adult.
So I'm 15 minutes in and I've already purchased something. I'm not even 15 minutes in, I just walked in. But I don't even buy perfume, but I did find some and they gave a little tester sample of it. So yeah, I figured why not try it. So I brought some perfume. You only live once, right?
Ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did Port when then kill Soboma. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Venice too. Why you say I did nothing for you?
Got me again. All right, so food. I'm at the Trap Lobster Rolls for the culture. Okay, y'all, this is too cute. I like the vibe of it. So they give you a taste of the lobster. So I got a lobster, like a slider in butter, just because I didn't want to spend $25 on a lobster roll. I mean, I understand it is lobster. It was good, but I think I'm going to be testing stuff throughout the day. So I just figured I'll just get a mini version of it. But this is the flyer, and I'll show you the little stand. And they do have like a lobster grilled cheese. It's really cute. So if you get a lobster roll, it does come with a side of chips. And the soup of the day is a clam chowder. And as much as I like a clam chowder, I just can't do it today. It's too hot. So let's see how this lobster slider is.
If I do anything you want me to do, somebody get you. I'm a white dog in Venice too. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life.
Here we go.
Everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye, yo. Bye, yo. So the
This is really so the bun is super buttery, toasted, it's really good. Lobster is buttery, it's warm. The lemon just kind of took the lobster to another level. No, this is good. You're here, you need to grab one. That was so good. If I did not have to navigate this day, I would probably got a large one. That was so good. I'm gonna go back and try to explore a little bit more, but I'm having a good time all by myself. And I never thought I would say that, but I really am, guys. So let's explore. I've had a beautiful day here at the farmers market in Fort Lauderdale. It's been really good. Y'all can believe I'm enjoying spending time by myself, but this is the place. So if you ever want to visit, I will put the link to the farmers market here in the description of the video. Next, I'm going to go to one of the next places that was suggested as most popular here in Hollywood, Florida, and it's called the Donut Factory. And I'm kind of interested. You know, I have a sweet tooth. In case you didn't know, I do have a sweet tooth. I'm interested to see if the Donut Factory is everything that I have read about online. So I will link that in the description as well. Everything that I'm doing today, I will link. But I am actually taking what is called Circuit here in Hollywood, Florida. So basically, it's like a small electric car. It'll come by and pick you up. And they have promotions where they'll pick you up for like $2 a ride. So I am actually doing that, but right now with the area that I'm in, they're actually offering free rides. So I am going to take the Circuit there, and then I'm gonna ask the driver if there are some like particular things he suggests that I would do today. If not, I am probably going to head back to Cheryl's apartment and get ready because we're supposed to be doing an art walk tonight, and it is about 3 now. So we'll see. But as of right now, I've enjoyed my day. I'm gonna go to the Donut Factory, and I will see you guys soon. I made it here to Hollywood Donut. It's a little hole in the wall now, y'all. It's kind of, I don't know, there's a building with a board in front of it. But yeah, we are here in front of Hollywood Donuts. I'm going to go in and try it out, and then I'm going to head back to Cheryl. So let's go. Just my luck, y'all. They close at 3 p.m. and it's 3:16, so I missed it. So yeah, I am going to find the next move, and then I'm gonna head back to Cheryl. So right now, I am headed over to the art walk. Now, Cheryl is still editing some videos, so she's gonna finish up and meet me over there. But I'm gonna go out on my own and see if I can make this thing happen. So it looks like they're setting up for bands, and I'm pretty interested. I'm pretty excited about this. We're about to start a mural tour, and they gave us maps so we can follow along. So let's go. So the art walk was a really cool and different experience. Thank you, Cheryl, for recommending it. So I'm going to take a look now with some of the vendors, just see what they have out here. And then I'll probably go into Redwood and have a drink because the guy was like, hey, come have a drink. And I was like, okay. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I will check back in with you guys in a bit. So as you guys can see, this art walk is really a vibe. I've been enjoying the music, just hanging out. Cheryl is still editing. She said it took a little longer, which is fine. I'm really having a good time. But I'm about to go to Redwood and have that drink. I never made it to it, so I'm gonna go to Redwood and have a drink and maybe have an appetizer. Then I'll probably head back to the apartment. So let's go. Guys, I have had a full day. I have ate, I have drank, I have explored, and now I'm going to head back to the apartment and crash. And that's a wrap on our Hollywood, Florida port day. I hope you found new spots and yummy eats to add to your travels. If you need help booking your next adventure, reach out to me, Siobhan at On The Go Travel. And until next time, Parker's out.